you can actually post it here. Even if you are not part of that course anymore, let's say the course is over, or let's say if it's a lifetime course, the course is going on. So here we ensure that the learning is lifetime. Now let me show the same thing to you after logging in, and let me explain you what are the big benefits of registering on elearnmarkets.com. Because we are at a stage where we want to really promote financial literacy, and we are giving a lot of things at throwaway prices and much more than that at absolutely no cost. So I'll explain you what are the benefits of registration, what do you get for free, and what are the big advantages of registering and visiting the website every day. So let me go back and register myself. Before registration process, let me explain to you what are the various ways or various pages through which you can register. So just beside elearnmarkets.com logo, you have sign in and sign up. I hope you can see that. Sign in and sign up. Okay. So just leave this. If you click on sign up, it gives you an option of signing up, that is basically registering on Elearn Markets. So it's a very simple form which has got your full name, email and mobile number, and you set a password for yourself, right? Otherwise, the easier way to do it, you just log in with Facebook. So here the registration is done automatically once you log in with Facebook. So I just logged in with Facebook and you can see my profile. It is as simple as that. For the first time, it will ask for certain permissions. I think I'm very sure you have already registered in a lot of places using your Facebook profile. So for the first time, they ask you for permissions. If you grant those permissions, then you can register or log in through Facebook. Now, you can also register using your email IDs rather than doing it from Facebook. In that case, you need to verify your email account. So when you will use your email IDs and you will submit register, then an email will go to your inbox, and there you have to click on the verification link. Mind you, the registration is not complete until and unless the person clicks on verification link which is sent to his email ID. We are also sending at times, like for example, if you look at this form on home page, it is very different. Let me sign out. Okay. On this page, let's say I'm right now signed out, I'm not like a normal user. On this page, you see there is no field for password. So we have made your life a little easier. What we have done is, here you just need to put your name, email and mobile number. And the password will go to your email ID with the verification link. So you click on the verification link and you sign in using the password which is sent to you. Obviously, you have an option to change the password because we send you an auto-generated password. So let's say I do it Vineet Patavri. Let's say I do it elearnmarkets.com. Let's say I do content at elearnmarkets.com, and the mobile number, I put some mobile number, and I do sign up. So what will happen? It will actually sign up. Registered, please check your mail for verification code. You are registered now. You have to check your mail for verification code. Once you will open your email, in the inbox you will see an email from elearnmarkets.com, and there you will see a password. You can use that password to actually sign in. So I hope the process is as simple as it can be, as it is there on any other website. So don't, that's very simple. So basically, there are forms where you have to put in password. If you go to the detailed sign up form here, otherwise you can do it on the home page itself where you don't have to do anything. You just have to put these 3 fields and you do sign up, and the password, auto-generated password, will go to your email ID. You can use that password to log in again. Now once you are logged in, Once you are logged in, let me log in again and show to you. I feel the easiest way to log in is Facebook, or to register is Facebook. So I'll insist all of you to adopt this mechanism when you are going and telling anyone to register, because everyone these days have got a Facebook account. It's very easy to convince people to register using Facebook account because they don't have to put all the fields again and again. So see, I am right now logged in. You can see my name Vineet Pathavi. I'm logged in here. If I go to my profile, my account page, what I see, these are the things which I'm getting as a user. So what are these? My courses. So the courses which I've enrolled for, there are multiple courses which are free, which I just show you. So in my courses, you will see all the courses which I have purchased till date. Okay. Going back to my account, you can navigate from here. So going back to my account, you can see there are webinars. So here you will see the list of all the webinars which have been conducted till date. Alright, all these webinars are available to be watched for free. So you can see those webinars, you can just start playing and see the webinar start. So what is a webinar? In past, we have conducted many webinars which are 2 hours of interactive class, and those classes are there on a particular topic. A particular topic is covered entirely on, in that particular class. So you get access to that class which is recorded for free, which is such a big value add, I cannot, tell you. So when you go and explain someone that why do you need to register yourself on eLearn Markets, out of all these tabs, the most important tab is free downloads. Alright, we'll rename it as free resources. So under this, you will have 4 things. Free webinars, which I just showed you, where there is a list of webinars which you can, the past webinars which are there, you can see all of them. So it is as good as watching a small course, and it's all for free. The next step is, if you go again, free courses. So if you go to free courses, the courses which are free on our website are automatically added to your account. So everyone who logs in under his free courses, he will see these courses. So it's such a wonderful thing that when you are actually looking at this, whatever new courses which we are adding gets added up here automatically. So you have access to a lot of webinars which are free. You have got access to a lot of courses which are free. Right now there are 2. We are increasing it on an everyday basis. You will see more such courses every 2-3 days. So one big reason to register is free webinars. Another big reason is free courses. And the third reason to register is free ebooks. So there is an ebook which will get downloaded. It's a big 100-page ebook which will get downloaded once you click on this. I'm not downloading it here, but you can try at your end. We will put more such ebooks here, so just wait for it. Then you have 4th part, which is community. I will not go into community. I will right now explain you what community is. So community is like a forum where a person can interact based on any doubts he has, based on any questions he has, based on any ideas he has related to the course which he is pursuing. So attached to every course there is a community. So he can post his questions there, and definitely he'll get answers from his fellow learners, or from the experts who have developed the course, or from anyone else who knows the answer. So here people are trying to teach each other, and there is a lot of peer learning which is involved in this process. So these 4 things are your biggest bet, biggest reason why you can register anyone on elearnmarkets.com. There are other smaller reasons also, like for example the blog. Here we have a very strong blog which can enhance the learning of the user on an everyday basis. So here things are posted very frequently. For example, there was something related to Greece, for which market actually went up. So there is certain information on that. If you want to learn stock market from very scratch, the entire post is written on that. So you can actually read that on a daily basis and enhance your understanding of financial markets and how to learn financial markets. So there are very good quality articles which are written on regular basis. For example, 20 Indian financial Twitter feeds you must follow. All of this is for free, but you must register on eLearn Markets to get access to all of this. Now in courses also, the biggest thing is if you are registered on elearnmarkets.com, you are like a member of elearnmarkets.com. So you will hear from us regularly whenever we do any updates. Let me give you an example. Around 7 to 10 days back, we launched a course which is one of the most unique course in the history of online education in India, where the biggest stock exchange of India, which is National Stock Exchange, has joined hand with an online education provider like elearnmarkets.com to provide a course called Online NSE Certified Capital Market Professional, ENCCMP course. Because NSE wants this to spread like wildfire, we are selling it at a very low price of 15,000 rupees, which is mandated by NSE. Now on that also, from our end, we are giving 5,000 rupees discount to first 100 students who register on this. And this information is sent to the registered users of elearnmarkets.com. So these registered users will know about the best of what is happening on eLearn Markets through their emails. So there are a lot of benefits of registering on elearnmarkets.com. So this is the coupon code. Anyone can use this coupon code, register on eLearn Markets and purchase the course, and he'll get the course which is worth 15,000 rupees at 10,000 rupees. And he can pass on this message to as many people as possible. When you are asking people to register, you can use this promo code and send to them and tell them that if you register and purchase this course, you will get access at 10,000 rupees rather than 15,000 rupees. For any user, this is a good saving, around 33% saving. Plus, for the first 100 users, we are keeping a elite WhatsApp group in which first 100 users will be added. So these 100 users will create a strong closed group which will do a lot of knowledge sharing on financial markets on a daily basis. And nothing is close to our heart, as close to our heart as WhatsApp. So they are on a learning spree 24/7. They are learning from us, from experts and from their peer group all the time. So to get such an opportunity, this will not remain there for long, but such opportunities will keep coming. So if a person is registered, he will get to know about these opportunities on a regular basis. So, and there are courses which you should explore. There are such wonderful courses people would like to buy, and obviously to buy any course, to purchase any course, you have to register again. So the first step of everything is to register on elearnmarkets.com. And especially the interns who are joining us, as mandate has been given to you to make as many people register on eLearn Markets as possible, I have briefly explained you what are the benefits of registration so that you can pass it on further to your friends, to your acquaintances, to your social network and family, so that they can get registered. Mind you, why I said family? Because there is a course for everyone from 18, from let's say 12 to people of 60, 70 years of age. So there are courses for everyone, and there is learning for everyone. Learning never stops, and especially financial market learning, which is related to money, will never stop. So everyone should register themselves on this and at least try to take advantage, big advantage of the free courses, free webinars, free sessions which we do regularly. There is so much to learn for free. Everyone should understand that and register yourself here and try to get benefit out of it. I'm sure this entire session will help you in explaining to others what are the benefits of registering on eLearn Markets. But the first and the foremost thing which you need to understand and imbibe is you have to be passionate about what you are talking to. I am very passionate about financial markets, and I am very passionate about spreading financial literacy in the country. If you are equally passionate, the learning, the flow, the words will actually automatically come. You don't have to make efforts. And your targets which are given to you, the registration target, will be met without any efforts. So I hope you become passionate in financial markets, and then you spread the passion of learning financial markets in your group and get as many registrations as possible. Now I'll throw the floor open for some question answers. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them by either unmuting yourself or by putting it on the chat. We'll take 3-4 questions and then we'll close the session for today. Can I have some quick questions, please? Anyone from Pretoria, do you have any questions? If you have your webcam, you can switch it on. Am I audible to you? I hear no. Okay, so any questions? Pretoria Street, any question? Go ahead if you have any question, please. You are not audible.
Sir, I have sent one question.
Let me check. You have sent one question. All right, where? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Who is this?
Surjodev, sir.
Yes, Surjodev, please tell me what's your question.
Sir, the link sent to me, it only directs to the NSE course. So what if someone tells me that he or she wants to do another course advertised in elonmarkets.com?
Good question. So the link, we can send you another link which will direct the person to the home page, and from home page he can go anywhere. In fact, from NSE page also he can go to any other page, but we will definitely share with you another link where the link is of the home page. So wait for that link. Vibha, have you made a note of this? Arindam? Alright, Vibha, please send. I'll explain it to you. So don't worry about it. You will get another link which will direct the person to the home page, and from home page he can get inside and buy any course of his liking, or he can register from the home page itself. Pretoria Street.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Someone has got a question from Pretoria Street. How will students from technical background get benefited from learning financial market from elonmarkets.com? Alright, very good question. Let me just give my personal example for this. When I went to do my MBA at IIM Indore, around 95% of the entire batch size were engineers. So all from hardcore technical background, they wanted to become MBA. Now what will they do after doing MBA? Most of them will specialize in finance because they are good with numbers, they are good with analysis, etc. So most of them will actually make a career in finance. So the earlier you start, better it is. That is number one for your career. Number two, which is more important, is at any stage of your life you will make money. You will make money and you will save money, right? No one becomes rich by just earning money. There are two sources. You can split your income in two parts, the active income and the passive income. Active income is something for which we work on daily basis. Let's say I go to office, I come back. So that money which I get as salary or get as my business income is called active income. There is another part which is passive income, which I earn out of the savings which I have. So the savings which I have, I invest it somewhere, and the investment gives me interest, or it can give me returns, capital appreciation, right? All that income, the person who has got a very active passive flow of income can become rich. With only active income, you cannot become much rich. You have to continuously keep reinvesting the money which you earn in multiple businesses, in multiple securities, shares, bonds, fixed deposits, real estate, etc., etc. So if you want to grow in your life, you need to have very good understanding of various instruments in finance and financial markets. And when I say finance and financial markets, you have to include real estate, insurance, mutual fund. You have to include, your financial examinations also, like CFA, FRM, CFP, etc., etc. So it's a big gamut of courses. Any engineer in his life must start as early as possible learning about finance, rather than waiting and doing it in his post-graduation, or probably not doing at all and being in the technical field. He feels that I am okay with it, but later on he might have to lament when he actually lose money on his investments, or he doesn't earn the money which is expected out of his investments. All right. So have I answered your question? All right. Yes. So there's another question that if I want to make my career in finance, why would I not go and do an MBA like I did? Why will I stick to, let's say, something else? Obviously, MBA is an option. There's no doubt about it. But the thing which you have to understand is, if you want to do MBA from any second-rank B school, it's not worth it. If you're not in the top 20, 30 B schools in India, it's not worth it, number one. Number two, if you want to go to a good place, they want certain skill sets to be there inside you before you go there. Now, let's say if you want to go to an IIM or MDI or XLRI, SP Jain, or any good B school, you are expected to have certain skill sets already when you go there, right? So to pursue your higher education, you need to have a very good resume. How will you build that resume? Number one is your extracurricular activities. Number two, your co-curricular activities. Number three is other courses, professional courses or certificates which you acquire. So here we are talking about other courses which are there on e-learn markets which you can acquire by doing a course. For example, the NSC course. So if you are certified by NSC that you know financial markets, and then you go and do MBA. See, the courses here are not comparable to a 2-year full-time program like MBA. The courses here are very short-term, learn at your own pace kind of courses, where you gain, where actually you do it for learning and for certificate. MBA is a program which you do it for your career, where 2 years you spend, you spend on learning various aspects of finance and financial markets and all the other areas also, like mid-marketing, operations, etc. So it's not comparable, number one. Number two, if you believe in the internet generation of learning, like the IDEA, Internet Network, IAN, alright? I'm talking about that. You need not go anywhere, the learning will come to you. So here on elearnmarkets.com, the learning is coming to you, which you can grasp without going and spending 15 lakhs on doing an MBA. If you do all the course, probably your learning will be equal to an MBA. So it's up to you how you want to take it. So more questions, please. All right, Mahesh, do you have any question? Surjodev, do you have any further questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. So I think we'll finish this session right away. And if you have any more questions, you can always feel free to email them on career@elearnmarkets.com, which is Vibha's email ID. You can always email them there, and we'll get them answered as soon as possible. And Vibha will share with you a link which is for the homepage, specifically made for you, so that all the registrations which you get done from that particular link will be mapped to you. So wait for the link from Vibha. Soon you will get that. Everyone in Victoria Street, please remain seated in that room. So we'll end this session right away. Thanks a lot for the patient hearing. Thanks a lot.